You don't need to pre-ferment the dough to make these soft and fluffy vegetable buns. The process is simple, and after watching this video, you'll be able to steam perfectly white, fluffy, and delicious buns at home without the filling collapsing. Turning it into buns makes for an incredibly tasty dish. First, cut the cabbage into strips, then chop it into smaller pieces and place them in a large bowl. Add a little salt, mix well, and let it marinate for 5 minutes. Take a block of firm tofu, cut it into thick slices into small cubes. Set it aside in a bowl. Take some pre-soaked glass noodles, add a spoonful of dark soy sauce and a little cooking oil, mix well, and let them absorb the color. Place them on a cutting board and chop them into roughly 1 centimeter pieces. Set aside. By now, the cabbage has finished marinating. Squeeze out the excess water and transfer it to another bowl. Heat some oil in a pan and stir-fry the diced tofu until golden brown for extra flavor. Once done, mix the tofu with the cabbage. Add the chopped glass noodles along with some shredded carrots. Sprinkle in a spoonful of chopped scallions, fine chili powder, coarse chili flakes, and pour over some hot oil to release the fragrance. Season with salt, 5-spice powder, 13-spice powder, chicken powder, oyster sauce, and a little sesame oil. Add a spoonful of ground Sichuan pepper powder and mix everything thoroughly with chopsticks. Finally, add a bowl of chopped garlic chives for extra flavor. Set it aside. Next, prepare 2 pounds of flour, add a packet of high-activity dry yeast, and a spoonful of sugar to aid fermentation. I'm using Anki's new upgraded dry yeast, which doesn't require a second proofing. Add a spoonful of lard and 550 milliliters of warm water. Mix everything with chopsticks until it forms a rough dough, then knead it into a smooth, moderately firm dough. There's no need to proof it. Just roll it into a long log and divide it into equal portions. Use a rolling pin to flatten each piece into a round wrapper, making the edges thinner and the center thicker. Place the filling in the center and pleat the dough to seal it, creating 18 folds per bun. Once all the buns are wrapped, brush a thin layer of oil over them to prevent sticking and place them in the steamer, making sure to leave enough space between them for fermentation. Cover with a lid and let them proof until they expand to 1.5 times their original size before turning on the heat. After 20 minutes, the dough will have risen beautifully, plump and fluffy. If you press it with your finger, it should bounce back immediately, indicating it's ready. Now, cover the steamer, bring the water to a boil, and steam over high heat for 15 minutes. Once done, don't open the lid immediately. Since it's cold outside, let the buns sit for 3 to 5 minutes before uncovering them to prevent collapse due to sudden temperature changes. Take one out and give it a squeeze. It's incredibly soft and airy, with no shrinkage or collapsing. The cabbage, glass noodles, and tofu filling may not contain meat, but it's so flavorful that I think it's even tastier than meat-filled buns. My kids even say they taste better than the store-bought ones. The recipe is easy to follow, so if you like it, save it and give it a try at home.